Understanding the phrase, drooping. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very descriptive phrase in the English language, drooping. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it. Drooping is a verb and can also be used as an adjective. It describes something that is hanging or bending down due to weight, tiredness, or lack of strength. Imagine a flower whose petals are starting to sag because it hasn't been watered. That flower is drooping. To understand better, let's look at a few examples. 1. After a long day at work, her eyelids were drooping. 2. The drooping branches of the willow tree brushed the surface of the pond. 3. Without proper care, the plants began drooping in the summer heat. From these examples, you can see that drooping can describe both a physical state, like with the plants, and a metaphorical state, like with the eyelids representing tiredness. Sometimes, it's helpful to know other words that can convey the same or similar meanings. Here are some synonyms for drooping: sagging, hanging, sinking, declining, fading. While all these words can be used in place of drooping, in certain contexts, always remember the slight nuances between them. Let's quickly touch upon a common misconception: drooping versus dropping. While both words involve a downward movement, drooping is more passive and gradual, often due to weight or fatigue. On the other hand, dropping is active and can be sudden, like when you drop a ball. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase drooping and how it can enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its details. The more phrases and expressions you understand, the more vivid and expressive your communication will become. Until next time, happy learning!